My dear students of class 9, already I have started this chapter, linear equation in two variables. 3 videos already I have given. Now this will be 4th video, I think. It will be called P4 like that. Here the question is given like that. Draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 2. That means one linear equation is given, and linear equation means what? The line can be drawn with this linear equation on the graph paper. Here, first of all, our duty is to find at least 2 solutions of this equation. Different values of x you put, different values of y you should get. I always suggest the students to draw the graph on the graph paper. But you know, because of this lockdown period, we don't get the graph book. So I am doing on the board by drawing the x-axis and y-axis. I start like that. Minimum 2 solutions are required. Maximum 3 solutions you may take, and after that you will draw the graph. Here you see x minus y is equal to 2 is given. Dear friends, always I tell you to keep y in the left hand side and send x to the right hand side, because x is considered to be independent variable, but y is considered to be dependent variable. That means the values of y depend on the values of x. So I write like that, minus y is equal to minus x plus 2. This x has gone to the right hand side, so minus. This minus y is already minus. You multiply by minus so that minus should not be in starting. Minus minus plus. Here you are getting what? Minus minus plus, and this plus is there, so it will be minus 2. I think you understood. Now you make one table here to get the solution. X, and here you are writing y. The value of x you write yourself, whatever you like, but you take the small value of x. Otherwise, on the graph paper, it is very difficult to adjust the point. If x is equal to 0, you may take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So, x is equal to 0, y is equal to what will happen? Instead of x, I have written 0, minus and 2 as it is. So, you are getting what? Minus 2. Here you see 0, and then you are getting minus 2. Here you may put one alphabet, that A, point A. Now you tell, if x is equal to, you are taking, suppose 2 you are taking, 2 minus 2, 0, it will be very simple. So x is equal to 2. I have taken 2, but it is not must that you have to take also 2. You may take 3, you may take 4, you may take 5, etc. So y is equal to, instead of x I have written 2. 2 minus 2, I am getting 0. So x2, y 0. This is B. Now one more solution you take. Even with 2 solutions you can draw the graph. There is no wrong, but I suggest you take 3. Most of the teachers are taking 3 points. Most of the students are taking 3 points. And when you are taking 3 points, And in drawing, if you are getting that line is not straight, that means you have done some mistake. So you can check easily. X is equal to, suppose 3 I have taken, 3. So what you are getting? X is equal to 3, then y is equal to, you see, y is equal to, instead of x, 3 minus 2. You are getting 1. So here you are getting 1. My dear students, so what are the things you got? Point C you got. How can you draw? I don't have sufficient space, but I try here. Here I don't have a space. Here one vertical axis you draw. With the help of what? With the help of a scale you will draw the vertical axis. Otherwise you will commit some mistake. This is vertical axis. It should be straight. It should be straight. Mine is not straight because without a scale I will draw. This is called y axis. Here you see one horizontal axis you are taking. In coordinate geometry you might have been taught x, x dash, y, y dash. The horizontal axis, what it is called, that you know. This is x axis and abscissa you have to take here, means x coordinate you have to take here. And this is vertical axis, that is called what? Y axis. Where the two axes intersect each other, that point is known as what? Origin. 0, 0. Here is 0, 0. With the help of a scale, you take 1 centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3 centimeter. You measure and then you draw. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, like that. Here also you see, this side it will be negative. In that side it will be positive. Here will be what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Plotting of points on the graph paper I have taught in the classroom. You remember it. Here whatever here is 0, 0. 4x0, 4y0. Here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. You take 1 centimeter each with the help of the scale. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Like that you do. Proceed. No need of taking so much value because maximum is here 3. Here in the downward direction you are getting what? Negative. Y coordinate should be negative on the y axis in the downward direction. That is minus 1, minus 2. 1 centimeter gap is there. Remember it. Minus 3 centimeter, minus 4 centimeter, minus 5 centimeter. Here I am writing the scale. Let 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You remember when you are drawing the graph on the graph paper, then you may take 5 small square is equal to 1 unit, 10 small squares is equal to 1 unit, like that you will consider. But here what we are taking? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now plot this point. How can you plot? Here you see x is equal to 0. That means what? On x axis you take 0. And on y axis what you should take? Minus 2. So on x axis you are taking 0. and on y-axis you are taking what? Minus 2. Where is minus 2 on the y-axis? Here is minus 2. So this point is what? You see, here neither you are going to right nor you are going to left. That means what? Left or right, that means what? On the x-axis. But you are not moving because x value is, x coordinate is given 0. So we are writing here x is equal to 0. Neither this side nor that side. Again, y is equal to minus 2 means what? Where it should be? Y is equal to minus 2 is here. So this is the point. Now this point is called what? A. So A, you are getting 0 minus 2. Again you see, next point is what? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. This is 2. This is 2. But y is equal to what? 0. That means what? Whenever there is y is equal to 0, y coordinate is 0. That means the point will be on x-axis. And whenever x coordinate is 0, that means point will be on y-axis. So here y coordinate is 0, so the point will be on x-axis. Where it should be? X-axis, x coordinate is 2. So I am writing here 2. And y coordinate is 0. So neither you have to move up nor you have to move down. This point is like that. Here B, point B, that is 2 and 0. Nice. Even with 2 points, you take the scale, you draw, that will be your line. But one more point I am taking. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 1. One thing you do, here, instead of this point is what? B, 2 and 0. Okay. Third point is what? C is what? 3 and 1. Where is 3? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. So 3, x on x axis 3 because x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is what? Here y coordinate is 1. So you see y coordinate is here and x coordinate is here. You see, you draw like that. The point is coming here. This point you see here 1, you are getting what? 1. Y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So both are here. This point is what? You plot the points. C, 3 and 1. Now with the help of a scale, you draw this line. How can you draw? Very nicely with the help of a scale you have to draw. Here, this is the point, this is the point, all these 3 points, with the help of a scale you draw. Actually, what happens? With the help of a scale when you are drawing, it will be very straight. And this is the point. Now you see, actually this line, what is the name of this line? Do you know? The name of this line, whatever is the equation of the line. So on the line you write x minus y is equal to 2. Here you may write, here you may write, below the line you may write. It is up to where you choose the better space, there you write the equation. That means this equation is the name of this line. This is the recognition of this line. Suppose somebody is asking me, what is the equation of this line? Then I will have to reply x minus y is equal to 2. My dear students, I don't think that you have any doubt. It is okay. You practice, more questions are there. You can draw nicely. Okay, thank you.